So right now I'm in classroom and I want to share with you some of my student work. They did a picto chart to review. This was a 6 weeks review for them. And this review covers everything that they did in the first 6 weeks. And they were able to use PictoChart to create their own review. And then this will come in handy when they get ready to study for their exams coming up in December. So the first 6 weeks, my AP students learned about rhetoric and about the different parts of the rhetorical situation. And as you can see, the student is able to take what she did. She created definitions, she gave examples, and this will serve her greatly whenever she goes to review. And what's nice about having each student do his or her own review is that then they can share these with each other and have any gaps that they may have had in their learning, they're able to fill those gaps. Another thing is, because I can look at these and look at their examples, I also have a great sense of where they may have struggled. This student did a fantastic job. Of course, I'm going to show off one of the best ones, but what's so nice is even the ones that were not top notch were still very good and revealed to me how much they understood when it comes to the rhetorical situation. So how this redefined how I teach is basically because instead of me giving them a review, they created their own. So they were using a higher level of thinking. And then also it was up to them. It was their choice. I just said, create a review over what we did. And then they were able to take the learning that they did over the 6 weeks and create something new. So to me, this is evidence that my teaching has been redefined, because instead of me being at the front of the classroom doing a review with them, or even giving them group work with review questions, instead I completely redid how I reviewed the first 6 weeks with them by letting them take control of their learning, and I just helped with explanation or if they had any questions. It's completely different than handing them a paper with questions, review questions, or even posting a paper as you saw in the previous slide regarding my classroom.